Intro, hook. If you have zero credit history right now, no credit score, no cards, nothing, this video is going to change everything for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to build credit from scratch in 2026, step by step, the right way. No gimmicks, no tricks, just a real blueprint that works. Stay with me until the end because the last step is the one most people completely skip, and it's the one that accelerates everything. Section 1. Why credit matters. Before we get into the steps, let's talk about why this even matters. Your credit score controls more of your life than you probably realize. It determines whether you get approved for an apartment, whether you get a car loan and at what interest rate, whether a bank trusts you with a credit card. Some employers even check your credit before hiring you. A good credit score saves you thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. A bad one costs you just as much. So building credit isn't optional anymore. It's one of the most important financial moves you can make in 2026. Section 2. Step 1. Know where you stand. Step 1 is simple. Find out where you stand right now. If you have zero credit history, you'll have what's called a thin file. That just means the credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, don't have enough information about you to generate a score yet. That's okay. That's exactly what we're about to fix. You can check your credit for free at Credit Karma. I'll drop the link in the description below. It takes 5 minutes and it won't hurt your score. Section 3, Step 2, get a secured credit card. Step 2 is your first real move. Get a secured credit card. Now, a secured card is different from a regular credit card. You put down a small deposit, usually between $200 and $500, and that deposit becomes your credit limit. You use the card for small purchases, you pay it off every month, and the bank reports that positive activity to the credit bureaus. That's how your score starts building. Some of the best secured cards in 2026 are the Discover It Secured Card, the Capital One Platinum Secured Card, and the Chime Credit Builder Card. All three are beginner-friendly and report to all three credit bureaus, which is exactly what you need. Section 4. Step 3. Become an authorized user. Step 3 is one of the fastest shortcuts to building credit that most people don't know about. Find a family member or a close friend who has a credit card with a good payment history and ask them to add you as an authorized user. You don't even have to use the card. The moment you're added, that card's entire history shows up on your credit report. If they've had that card for 5 years with no late payments, you just inherited 5 years of positive credit history overnight. This alone can jump your score significantly in a very short time. Section 5, Step 4, Credit Builder Loan. Step 4, get a credit builder loan. Banks and credit unions offer these specifically for people building credit from scratch. Here's how it works. You apply for a small loan, usually between $300 and $1,000. The bank holds that money in a savings account while you make monthly payments. Once you've paid it off, you get the money. Meanwhile, every payment you made was reported to the credit bureaus as positive payment history. Self Inc. is one of the best platforms for this in 2026, and you can get started for as little as $25 a month. Link is in the description. Section 6 in Step 5, the rules that make or break you. Step 5 is about the rules that determine whether your score goes up or crashes. Rule number 1, always pay on time. Payment history is 35% of your credit score. It is the single biggest factor. One missed payment can drop your score 60 to 100 points. Set up auto pay so you never miss. Rule number 2, keep your credit utilization below 10%. That means if your credit limit is $500, never carry a balance above $50. Most people think 30% is the rule. In 2026, the highest scores stay below 10%. Rule number 3, don't apply for too many cards at once. Every application creates a hard inquiry on your report, and too many at once signals risk to lenders. Section 7, the step most people skip. Now here's the step I promised you, the one most people completely skip. Monitor your credit every single month. Errors on credit reports are more common than you think. Accounts that aren't yours, balances reported incorrectly, late payments that were actually paid on time. These errors silently drag your score down, and you won't know unless you're watching. Check your report monthly on Credit Karma or Experian. If you see anything wrong, dispute it immediately. This one habit separates people who build credit fast from people who wonder why their score isn't moving. Outro, call to action. That is your complete blueprint for building credit from scratch in 2026. To recap, check your starting point, get a secured card, become an authorized user, get a credit builder loan, follow the rules, and monitor every single month. If you follow these 6 steps, you will have a solid credit score within 6 to 12 months. If you want us to personally help you build or repair your credit even faster, the link to work with our team is in the description below. Subscribe to the Credit Blueprint for a new video every single week. We are just getting started. I'll see you in the next one.